So next, as asset, this if you want to know these keywords, so further we will discuss about these things, because here we cannot able to understand all keywords as asset. So in first unit we require only up to and, or, not, and true, false, none. Enough. Let us come to the ending. Input function. Let me know what is meant by input function. So here input function can be worked as scanf. We can use input as scanf. For example, if you take, for example, name equal to input of. Input of means we are entering a keyboard or word from keyboard. Okay, let me check. In shell, how to perform input operation. So let me check here. I'm taking name as a variable, and just you can take input of. Okay, input of. So here I'm giving input as welcome. So I'm taking input, or here I taken name, right? So here name is, for example, if you take our college name, Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences. Okay, so this is name. Okay, here we need to print this name. Print of name. You just give print of name. What we get? Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Sciences, right? So input, basically input can be used for taking the values through the keyboard, right? So here output function. We can use output function, print method as output function. So here the syntax for print method is here store objects. You can take objects, or separator. You can separator, and end line. So slash and for new line, and file sys.stdio and flesh equal to false. Okay, so print method, the syntax for the print method. For example, here if you want to take input from the user, what we need to take? First of all, x equal to enter a value. I will show in our shell. I will share shell. Okay. So here, first of all, a equal to or x equal to input of enter a value. X equal to input of enter a value. Enter a value. Okay. So next one, enter a value 20. Next, y equal to input of enter b value. Enter a value. Here also we are asking enter a value. Enter a value for y. Enter a, give a value for y 10. Okay. What we are going, for example, if you want to swap these two variables, how you are swapping? You know already. We need to take a temporary variable, temporary equal to x, and x equal to y and y equal to temporary. Do you know how to swap? So here we've taken 3. First of all, if you want to see here, first of all, here what we taken, x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. We taken these two values. We need to swap these two variables. So x value we need to swap in y and y value we need to swap in x. So here x value equal to 20 and y value equal to 10. Okay, we need to swap these two variables. Okay, instead of 20 here we need to swap y value 10 and here we need to swap x value 20. Okay, so while swapping these two variable, directly swapping process is not done. So we need a temporary variable. So temp. So with the help of temporary variable we are moving. First of all, we are moving x value to the, so we are moving x value to the temporary variable. So now temporary variable having what value? So x value it have. What is the x value here? First of all, x value is 20. So we move x value into temporary. After that, what we are performing? So in x, we are swapping y value. So in x, we are swapping, and that means the value which is available in y. So the value which is available in y that can be moved into the x variable x. So after that we are moving this temporary variable into y. Okay, so this temporary variable into y. What is the value in temporary? 20. So this can be moved into variable y. So here in y, what we are doing? Temporary variable, which value in temporary variable? 20. So this value can be moved into the variable y. So this is swapping process. Okay, so this is swapping process, y equal to temporary. After that, what we are going to do is, so we need to print what is the x value and what is the y value. Print of x and print of y. What you get x value? So initially you given x value equal to 20, but after swapping, after performing swap operation, we get x value equal to 10. So here print of y. Print of y. What you get? Print of y 20. So you given y value as 10, but after swapping, after performing swap operation, we get y value equal to 20, right? See, so enter a value of x. We are giving x value equal to 5 and y value equal to 10. After swapping, x value equal to 10 and y value equal to 5, right? So directly we taken print of x. You if you want to print a message, you can also take a message within single quotation or double quotation. That is your wish. You take within single quotation or double quotation. Okay. So indentation, very important in Python. So indentation. Indentation means in C, how you are writing in if block, we use semicolon, curly brace. Okay, so for example, I will show in whiteboard. I will explain in whiteboard. Right. So in C, how you are writing? So here wide main, open curly brace. So here integer a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and we are going to print these two variables, printf. So value of a comma a, and printf value of b. Okay, so this is simple program. uh, so if you want to write this program with the help of function, how we are writing with the help of function? So you just give a small modification, same program how you are taking. So here void main method we taken, and here in integer, suppose you take one method, use one method and call that method. Okay, so call that method. So in add method, we open curly brace. Here we can perform, you can write statements for performing addition of two variables. Okay, but in Python we no need to declare curly brace. So if you are performing a function, if you are using a function, so add. So here indentation means it gives some space. After some space you need to write program, you need to write statements, Okay, so so here no need to take curly brace, so it takes space. Okay, so after finishing of this function, again the cursor movement is, so here the cursor movement is started again. Okay, so indentation is nothing but it takes some space, For example, here see, for example, I will show you with the help of shell. I will show what is meant by indentation. Take new file. Here you I'm opening a file, area of circle I'm opening, or take another file, input simple program, open that one. So here if you mistakenly given some space, so this is nothing but indentation. Click on run. So what you get, unexpected indent. Error message, are you able to see that error message? Okay, so here click on run module. What you get, unexpected indent. Okay, because we given some space, so this is nothing but indentation. No spaces are allowed in Python programming. Okay,